Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today coming to you from Barry's Greenhouses in Natick, Massachusetts. I'm walking around the greenhouse looking for things I think may be interesting to you, and I came across this kangaroo plant. Now, we'll put down the Latin underneath. I'm not going to attempt to say this because I will probably just botch the name. So we'll call it the kangaroo plant because that's the common name, and it looks like kangaroo paws, that's why it's called that. But what's great about it is it's a nice house plant. Now, if you're in zones 9 or higher, in other words, if the temperature really doesn't go below freezing, you can leave this outside all year, say Southern California. But for the majority of the population, you're going to want to grow this inside, put it outside in the summer, and then bring it inside in the winter. So it's a nice house plant. So what's really neat about it are the flowers. So the flowers are these really tubular-like flowers with, in this case, pink or red. And you can see as the flower opens up, it's got that little tube, and that's where birds and bees and other things can pollinate it. So this particular flower, the way it's tubular shaped like that, is perfect for nectar-feeding birds. This is native to Australia, so the birds that you probably have in your backyard, unless you're watching from Australia, are not necessarily going to pollinate this, but it would be interesting to see whether hummingbirds, for example, may like to pollinate this if you leave it outside during the course of the summer. Also, some bees and other insects may also pollinate this particular plant and get some of the nectar from it. So the plant will thrive in sunshine or part shade, and it wants to be kept evenly moist. If you were keeping it inside during the course of the winter, I'd put it in a southerly or even a westerly window where it will get sufficient bright light. It probably won't do as well or flower as well in one of the easterly or northerly windows. Don't let this plant be exposed to freezing temperatures. It will not survive, but it does make a nice house plant and also a great gift. You could mass a few of them together if you're growing them outside in a container and then just dig them up for the following fall and winter, and you can put them back outside the following spring. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.